Hello and welcome to the series of episode Live Life of Prosperity. So today's topic is Kintsugi. It is referred to a golden repair, is most commonly correlated to the mending of broken pottery with gold or silver lacquer. And the result is a stunning object due to celebration of its flaws. So welcome to this series dedicated to exploring the wisdom and philosophies of deeply rooted Japanese culture. So I'm your host Nitin Narkide, and throughout this series, we'll dive into rich tapestry of concepts that can inspire personal growth, enhance well-being, and provide valuable insights for navigating life's challenges. So this episode is a part of 15-episode series on Japanese concepts that will improve your life. So let me introduce myself. So I am Nitin Narkide, founder of Prosperity Lifestyle Hub, and I am on a mission to empower and enable 100,000 families to live powerfully the way they want to live. So welcome to the another episode, The Art of Resilience, Kintsugi. So today, we will explore the captivating art form of Kintsugi. So I'm delighted to discuss the beauty and philosophy behind Kintsugi and how it can transform our perspective of life imperfections. So Kintsugi is truly a unique art form. So Kintsugi is the Japanese art of repairing broken pottery using lacquer mixed with gold or silver. Instead of distinguishing or hiding the cracks, Kintsugi embraces them and transforms them into celebrated features. The golden repair not only restores the functionality of the object, but also enhances the artistic value, creating a beautiful and unique piece of art. The philosophy behind Kintsugi extends beyond the physical repair. It represents the idea that there is beauty in imperfection and that our flaws and scars tell a story behind it. So by highlighting the cracks and embracing them with gold, Kintsugi teaches us to appreciate the journey and transform that occurs through the adversity. So how can the concepts of Kintsugi be applied to our personal lives, and how can it be improve our overall well-being? So let's see it. So concept of Kintsugi can have a profound impact on our personal lives. So here are a few ways it can improve well-being. And embracing imperfections. The first point is just like the broken pottery, we all have imperfections and scars in life. So Kintsugi teaches us to accept and celebrate them, recognizing that they are part of our unique story. By embracing our imperfections, we develop self-compassion and a greater appreciation for our individuality. So I can give you one example, or you might have seen the children at the age of 1, they start walking. When they start walking, they stand up, try to walk, and they fail. They fall down. Again, they wake up, start up, and then again they fall. But we never think that he has failed. Why he should walk again? Adverse to it, if in our life right now, after years, we see that one failure and we stop acting. So instead of that, if we embrace the imperfections and we learn from it, we can have wonders in our life. So second is finding beauty in adversity. So Kintsugi reminds us that our challenges and hardships can be sources of beauty and growth. Just as the golden repair enhances the broken pottery, our experiences shape us into stronger, more resilient individuals. By reforming adversity as an opportunity for transformation, we can find beauty and meaning in even the most difficult moments in our life. The third can be cultivating resilience. So Kintsugi also teaches us the importance of resilience. Instead of discarding the broken pottery, Kintsugi repairs it, makes it even more valuable and cherishing. Similarly, in our life, when we face setbacks or failures, Kintsugi tells us to preserve and find the strength to rebuild and grow from our experiences. You might have seen athletics, the people start practicing, they go on practicing, they play, they fail, they play, they fail, and there is a time when they become successful. So the next topic is honoring the journey. The Kintsugi honors the journey of broken pottery and recognizes that its story is not over. It reminds us to embrace our own journey and appreciate the progress we made along the way. By valuing the process rather than solely focusing on the end result, we can cultivate gratitude and find joy in present moment. We might have seen many movie clips where we have seen people failing and the people cheering them, and then they are succeeding in life. So how can individual incorporate the principles of Kintsugi into the daily life? So incorporating the principles of Kintsugi into our lives requires a shift in the mindset, a practice of mindfulness. So first can be embrace vulnerability. Allow yourself to be vulnerable and authentic. Share your stories and experiences. Include the challenges and struggles. By doing so, you not only honor your own journey, but also inspire and connect with others on a deeper level. Practicing self-compassion. Be kind and compassionate to yourself, especially in the moments of difficulty or failure. Instead of judging yourself harshly, practice self-compassion. Remind yourself that your imperfections are part of what makes you unique and beautiful. Treat yourself with the same care and compassion that Kintsugi artists would use when repairing the broken pottery. The third point can be embrace growth and resilience. When facing setbacks or challenges, view them as an opportunity for growth and transformation. Just as a broken pottery piece can be repaired and enhanced with gold, see how you can learn from your experiences and become stronger and more resilient as a result of it. Find beauty in imperfection. So shift your perspective and seek out the beauty of imperfection. Both can be yourself and in the world around you. Take time to appreciate the uniqueness and character that comes from life's cracks and flaws. Instead of striving for performance, celebrate the beauty that arises from embracing the imperfections. The fifth point can be practice mindfulness and gratitude. Cultivate a sense of mindfulness and gratitude in your daily life. Take time to notice and appreciate the small moments of beauty and joy that are often overlooked. Express gratitude for the lessons learned from the past and challenges and for the growth and resilience they have brought with you. Today, we saw practical ways to incorporate the principles of Kintsugi into our lives. It's evident that this art form can truly transform our perspective of imperfections and resilience. I hope that by embracing the philosophy of Kintsugi, we can find all strength, beauty, and meaning in our life. So, concluding today's episode, the art of resilience is Kintsugi. I want to express my gratitude to you for listening to me on this topic. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to subscribe to our favorite podcast platforms, uh, Spotify, Amazon Music, or Apple Podcast. You can find my series, Live a Life of Prosperity. You can find me on YouTube at Nitin Narkade, @Nitin Narkade, and blogs in my website, nitinnarkade.com/blogs. You can find me on the Facebook, Nitin P. Narkade. You can subscribe to my podcast channel, sptfy.com/nzs3. And you will be able to subscribe to my channel and you will get all the new episodes which will be coming through. So your feedback is valuable in helping us reach you more. Stay tuned for more enlightening conversations and always embrace the wisdom of diverse cultures because it has the power to transform us and the world. Thank you.